homeless camp right here.
I know.
Just be prepared here, just after the bridge. First street to your right, we're going to turn. You'll see the little slip lane here just after the 50 sign, before the yellow sign. Oh, yellow sign's missing. Somebody must have took it down. Yeah, we're right here. Yeah, look at that. It's broken. Oh, there should be another one though. It's not there. Okay, we're going to turn right at the stop sign. So, this is a lesson in observation, higher observation, heightened awareness sort of thing. None of this is going to be on your road test.
Okay.
They don't take you downtown and do the one-ways, which is good. But also I'm going to show you some key clues to help you identify the differences between one-ways and two-ways. Okay. So you never go the wrong way on a one-way street, hopefully. We'll keep going straight. First clue is, right now you're on a two-way. You know that because of the way the cars are parked on each side of the road. But also the yellow line. Yellow lines divide traffic going in opposite directions. And we're going to turn right coming up here on Larch. First thing you notice is the way the cars are parked on each side of the road. Let's make a left lane change. So the way the cars are parked on each side of the road tells you that you're going the right way, not the wrong way, because they're facing the same direction you're driving in. Okay. We'll keep going straight unless I ask you for a left or a right. Just go straight.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, it's okay. That's how they do it on the road test, but also too because I'm kind of focused on other things, you know. So, but I'll let you know. So, technically there's two lanes here. Technically, it should be, what color line should be here to divide the...
White?
Yeah, white dotted line, that's right. White lines divide traffic going in the same direction. And also, again, you got two stop signs, one for each corner. And we're going to keep going straight. Two stop signs shows you you're on a one-way street. The flashing red light is there in case you get a delivery truck that parks in front of the stop signs, and you don't see them. So at least you know the red light means stop. It's there.
Okay.
And then the speed limit, technically it's 50, but that'd be reckless for obvious reasons. You just go at a safe, comfortable speed like this here. This is perfect. About 30 or below.